In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a selection in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're tidying up your spreadsheet or just need a fresh start, knowing how to clear data effectively can save you a lot of time and ensure your sheets are as organized as possible. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To get started, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open. Navigate to the sheet containing the data you need to clear. Once you're there, identify and select the specific cells you wish to clear. You do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells, ensuring they're highlighted, which indicates they're selected and ready for the next steps. Now that you've got your selection ready, you're faced with a couple of simple options. The first method involves right-clicking on the selected cells. Doing this will bring up a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Clear Contents. This straightforward action will remove the data from the selected cells without altering the existing formatting. It's an efficient way to tidy up specific areas of your spreadsheet while maintaining the setup you might have worked hard to establish. If you're someone who favors keyboard shortcuts for their speed and accessibility, there's an alternative method right at your fingertips. After selecting those cells, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. It's a quick and effective way to remove data from your selected cells without any hassle. Now let's say you're interested in more than just clearing the data. Maybe you need to reset everything, including formatting or remove any notes attached to the cells. For this, you'll want to explore another pathway using the Edit menu. At the top of your screen, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Clear. This action will present you with more nuanced options. You can choose to clear not just the contents, but also the formatting or any notes attached to the selected cells. It gives you a more granular level of control over what you want to retain or remove from your spreadsheet. And just like that, you've learned how to clear a selection in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you prefer using the context menu, the swift delete key, or the comprehensive options available through the Edit menu, you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your data effectively and efficiently. Clear away clutter and maintain the neatness of your sheets with ease, all thanks to these handy methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on working smarter with Google Sheets and other productivity tools.